right though, man. Hopefully they can do it this time. Like I said, homie pretty much does all my cars here, so we're gonna see. What's good, grind schoolers? It's your boy Rob, and today we are about to take the Impala to go get an alignment. So I'm gonna take it easy. I'm gonna drive slow. I'm gonna whatever, because I haven't really driven the car since I put the tubulars on, because obviously it needs an alignment. I haven't had the chance to get it because you know, I've been having a lot going on, and obviously, you know what I'm saying, I've been mostly focusing on the Monte Carlo, trying to get it ready for everything. And so with that said, for all of you, everyone that is obviously here for the Impala, you know, we are back to work on the Impala to get whatever this needs done, so I can finally drive it, get it on the road, whatever. We are going to go ahead and do that. I'm gonna spin over to the tire shop to get the alignment, get some gas, whatever, you know what I'm saying? Y'all just ride with me. And yeah, like I said, we're back on this for now. I know I've been throwing out a lot of money content. Like I said, it's just because I'm trying to get it ready for this month. And yeah, so hopefully they can do it this time. Last time I took it, they said they couldn't do it because of ball joints and whatever. So hopefully they can do it this time, and we should be all good to go. And then, like I said, last thing is just the exhaust, and you know what I'm saying, this car should be on the road theoretically. So let's go ahead, and I'm gonna go ahead and start the car up, warm it up for a little bit, and then we'll be on our way. All right, let me go ahead and get y'all that cold start. Hopefully it starts. I haven't started in a few days, so, and it's cold, so. There we go. There we go, started right up, so we about to hit the road. All right, y'all, hopefully that sun don't have too much of a glare, but a couple things that I'm noticing. It seems like the transmission is not aligned correctly, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if it's because the transmission is low. It's not like it's slipping, but it's like as if it, I don't know, it's weird, because you know what I'm saying, it's like it's shifting gears and all that kind of stuff, but you know what I'm saying, it seems like it's taking a long time to shift. And I don't know if it's because of the TPS sensor and the computer not being like calibrated, because since changing that, I haven't gotten really any miles on the car, like at all, you know what I'm saying? The car is running really good, really smooth. I got oil pressure and everything. I'm probably gonna pop up in O'Reilly's and grab some transmission fluid anyway, just to see if that could possibly be the case. Hopefully it's not, or hopefully it is just like a little bit of transmission fluid that I gotta, you know what I'm saying, fill up or whatever. And it's not like the actual transmission itself. But we are pulling up to this tire place, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this alignment. The car is running real smooth. I was gonna raise the front, and I probably still will raise the front, especially when I get, you know what I'm saying, some new wheels for this thing. But the car is hitting these bumps and taking these bumps, and I'll show you guys how low it is, man. I think I scraped it one time thus far. So let me go ahead and pull up into this Les Schwab or whatever. The oil pressure does kind of seem like it's a little bit low, but I'll check all that out, and hopefully we can get it all good to go. So anyways, let me go ahead and park this car so that they can do their thing and get the alignment done, and then we'll be good to go. But all the vitals look good, man. It doesn't look like it's overheating or anything. Doesn't look like all crazy or nothing. So let me go ahead and park, run up in here, and get this alignment done. Yeah, she looks so good, yo. I mean, definitely need some bigger wheels, but you can see why I need an alignment. This wheel is like going like that, but you can see how low it is, and I hardly scraped at all, you know what I'm saying? But I'm about to check the oil real quick. I don't have like a napkin or nothing, but just because I want to see, because the oil pressure did kind of look like it was dropping a little bit once I got up into the parking lot. Oh shit. But I'm gonna check that real quick and see, because I'm hoping that those cooler lines are. What's up, bro? That thing looks so nice. We're gonna get it right though, man. Hopefully they can do it this time. Like I said, homie pretty much does all my cars here. So we're gonna see what happens. I was gonna walk over there to O'Reilly's, but he came out hella quick, so it should be done pretty quick. Bad news, man. They couldn't do it once again. So I think I'm gonna have to take it to a tire shop that works on, you know what I'm saying, like these types of cars, man, not the commercial joint. The reason why I wanted the commercial joint is just because it's by my house and they rock with me a little bit, but it's all good. I'll either do that or I'll probably just do it myself. I semi-done it on the Elko before, so I think I'll probably just do it again on this car. Do the string trick, I guess you could say. So I'll probably just do it like that, man, and you know what I'm saying, that's how we gonna rock with it. And it just is what it is, you know. I mean, I can't complain about it, you know what I'm saying, like we just have to do it the old-fashioned way, I should say. So no harm, no foul, you know what I'm saying. We got some gas, we got some oil, some transmission fluid, stuff like that, so should be good to go. Homie said there's really nothing wrong with like the suspension or nothing like that. They just couldn't do it because the car is too low, pretty much. So he said if I lift it up and then they do it and then I drop it again, then they're gonna have to. All right, y'all, so it actually looks like we got another issue. Y'all see how low the exhaust is hanging? So one of the brackets broke. So now we really got to get the exhaust done. So they couldn't do the alignment because homie said that the alignment machine that hooks onto the tire would have come up here and got stuck because of how low the car is. And unfortunately, he basically said that, you know, you'll have to raise the car up, and you know what I'm saying, as soon as they do the alignment, it'll have to go back for alignment once I lower the car. So I wouldn't be able to basically keep this ride height if I raised it up and got the alignment. And then also too, I said that I could get smaller tires, but the tires that I have for this car, obviously, like I threw them out or whatever. So I'm kind of in a like dilemma, a little bind on what to do. Like I said, I'll probably just do it myself. I stopped by O'Reilly's after the shop, and some guy at O'Reilly's had told me that a shop that could do it, but it looks like I'm gonna just do it myself, man. I'm gonna just get it as close as I possibly can. And that's pretty much it. You know what I'm saying? Get it as close as I possibly can, and then when I get the bigger wheels on the car, what I'll do is I'll just take it to an alignment shop that works on, you know, basically custom vehicles. So right now it is what it is. Ain't nothing I could do about it except get it close. But the car rode really good, man. It started to like sound a little bit different, a little bit like the idle came down pretty low. I don't know if like it's like the computer trying to read stuff, because like the car hasn't been driven since I changed the IAC valve and TPS sensor and all that. So I don't know if the computer's trying to like read everything, get everything, you know, calibrated to how it should be, I guess. You know, or even if that's a thing or whatever. But regardless of the situation, man, we gotta, you know, keep doing a little bit more work on the car, which I'm okay with. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, the oil pressure seemed to be dropping pretty low while I was at idle. So I don't know if it was losing oil through those cooler lines, which I don't think it was, or it has been, because I didn't see no oil drops or nothing like that. I don't know if it's just because the oil is a little bit low. I'm about to check it now. And then it seemed like the transmission was kind of shifting real weird, real like late and stuff like that. So I don't know if it needs transmission fluid. So I'm gonna check that as well. And then, you know, see how everything goes. I did put that restore in the motor to clean out the carbon and stuff like that. So I did do that. So, and then I also did put some, what's that, guarantee to pass in there. And then, yeah, that's pretty much all I did. So now we're gonna have to address the exhaust a lot quicker than I thought, because I can't roll like that. And I see if I can show you guys the bracket that's broke. Oh, let's see. That bracket there, you can't see on this side, but it's broken off of the tailpipe, and you can see the shitty work that homie did on the car. So we're gonna have to cut all that out, y'all, and you know what I'm saying, do our own fabrication. Even if I gotta do exhaust clamps or whatever, however we gotta do up in there, I'm just ready to get this exhaust done. So like I said, man, we gonna keep rocking how we rock. I'm gonna check this oil real quick and check the transmission fluid and see if it's all good. And then on my next, because today's the last like solid day as far as like the weather, so on my next day that it feels like this, I'll probably go ahead and jump out here and try to work on this alignment, see if I can get the wheel straight. You can see this is like pitched in on both sides. So I'm gonna see if I could get the alignment right and then go from there. And then obviously once I get the wheels that are actually gonna be on this car, we'll go ahead and, you know, get everything solid. So anyways, man, yeah, let me go ahead and put some oil, check this oil, and check this transmission fluid, and then go from there. So I think that oil pressure was low, obviously, because it's the oil. But the transmission fluid was low too. But like I said, when I had it idle, it was like 10 PSI. You know what I'm saying? Obviously, when I get on the gas, the oil pressure would increase. But so now when I start it up, saying the oil pressure increases to about 40 or whatever, you know what I'm saying? So the car sounds really, really good. It sounds really good. I ain't even gonna hold you, yo. It's quiet. I don't know if you guys remember how it used to sound, but the idle used to be super high, but now it's quiet. You can barely hear it. So like I said, what I'm gonna do is probably cut this exhaust off of here at some point. And yeah, like I said, I'll probably cut the exhaust off of here at some point and just do stuff myself. I'll probably put it up on the ramps, on some jack stands, get up under there and see what I can do, if I gotta do clamps or whatever I gotta do. But you know what I'm saying, I gotta get this fixed ASAP. And unfortunately, the exhaust shop that I rock with, I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but the car sounds. All right, grind schoolers, that's gonna do it for this video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Like I said, I wanted to get the alignment done because that's one thing in the piece of the puzzle that need to be taken care of. But looks like, once again, I'm gonna have to result in doing it myself. Like I said, man, that's how this whole thing all started, was just trying to get people to do things and them not being able to do it, or them not being able to do it at a reasonable price. Or if they do it, they mess it up somehow, some way, whatever form that's in, you know what I'm saying? So that's what got me on this tirade of just doing everything myself. So it looks like we're gonna continue that trajectory, man. Obviously you can see my exhaust, how it's hanging, how it's sitting. We're probably just gonna do it ourselves. It's not homie's fault that he can't do the alignment. He took me into the shop and showed me exactly the reason why, you know, he couldn't do it. Obviously, he didn't want to tear up my car, and those are the tools that they have at their disposal. They don't do it like the old school way where you line everything up and you know, whatever. They have these big cone things that go on the tire and wrap around the tire, and then it goes around, and that's how they do the alignment, to take the measurements and stuff like that. So he said it has nothing to do with like the suspension or anything, just how low the car sits and how the car is, like the ride height of the car. And I don't want to mess with the ride height of my car because I like how it sits, and I'm not gonna adjust it and change it just to get the alignment. And then once I do any adjustments to change it back, it's gonna need an alignment again anyway. So in order to, I guess, get it done, we'll just do it the best way that we can so that the wheels are straight. It's not like I drive the car a lot anyway, so the wear and tear is not gonna be crazy on the tires or anything. I just wanted to track straight. And then I guess, you know, I don't know, figure it out from there and see what happens. And then, like I said, once I get the wheels that I want on the car, we could adjust everything, get everything dialed in and set exactly how it needs to set. And then I'll take it to an alignment shop that can do it with custom wheels and the right height sitting the way it does, or the way it is. And that's only if I'm not successful in completely lining my wheels straight the way they need to be straightened. So anyways, man, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Go ahead, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you get a notification every time we drop another video. I know it's been a minute since I dropped any content on the Impala, so I thought I'd bring y'all along and, you know what I'm saying, throw some content out on the Impala. So anyways, go ahead and, like I said, do that for me, and I greatly appreciate it. I greatly appreciate all the love and support and everything like that. And always remember, work hard so you can live free.